Hi, this is Charles Scamahorn with probaway.com, and I'm going to show you a couple ways to cough. And it starts off with whenever you cough, you should cover your face. Not that much, I don't have a cold or anything, so. And then after you blow your nose and stuff, stick it in a bag, dispose of it properly. You know what I mean. Your mommy told that, didn't she? But she probably didn't tell you this. And I'm going to show you what you need to do. Let's do it over here. To cough properly. There's maybe I want to step back a little so that they can see my whole body. Because you've got to find out where it is you personally cough. And you can do that by and tilting your voice box. You want to cough out. That's very important, especially if you got a little bit of COVID going in you, COVID-19 if you want to. And then here's some things where you can get a little extra cough. Tilt way over. Way back. Way over. Hear my voice going different as I turn. This isn't comic. This is going to save your life if you cough right. But the whole point of it is it's coming out. Get it out of your lungs. And don't go like that. See what I'm doing? That's sucking stuff out of my nose into my lungs. And if I had the COVID and going, I'd be sucking all that crud into my lungs, and it's in your lungs where you get the really bad disease and the pneumonia and the rest of it, and it kills you. So, this was my little hope for you to cough in a better, more exciting way. And Charles Scamahorn, probaway.wordpress.com for more exciting information about how not to die.